All right, let's be honest. Sooner or later, you're going to face a mess. Now, I might not be able to help you with your finances or tell you who to marry, but at Workshop, we know messes. And basement messes are no different. Broken pipes, water heater damage, sump pump problems, washer drain backups, and other assorted leaks can cause floods, but they all have to be dealt with and dealt with quickly. Flood messes need to be cleaned up quickly because the longer they're left, the more likely you are to have mold and mildew. You need to get started right away because even if you end up needing professional assistance, it will still help that you at least didn't let it get worse. The primary tool for this operation is a wet-dry vacuum and the optimal accessories. If you don't already have one, here are some suggestions. First, the size drum you need may be dependent on the size mess, but since we don't have a crystal ball for predicting future flood messes, we recommend just planning for a serious one so that way you always have enough room. Second, if possible, look for a vacuum with high lift. Lift is the best measure of power for picking up water. And if you're sucking water out of soaked carpet and pad, you're gonna need all the power you can get. Now, for nozzles, there are a number of options available. Some you've likely already considered, but others maybe not so much. For flat, uncarpeted floors, we recommend the wet nozzle. The squeegee pulls water into the airstream and lifts it away. For carpet, I've seen the carpet and hardwoods nozzle recommended, but while it's a great nozzle, it might not be the best for pulling water out of soaking wet carpet and pad. We just recommend pulling out the squeegee and using the wet nozzle. This works very similar to the carpet wands used by professional rehabbers. The often used utility nozzle has a large opening that with pressure can lift a great deal of water from the floor. Once you've collected the water, now it's time to dump it. Most wet-dry vacs do come with a drain that make it easy to remove the water, but that still won't save you from having to go up and down the stairs with a drum full of heavy water. Enter the multi-fit pump accessory. This puppy can save time, money, and your back. To attach it, remove the drain cap, add the adapter, then put on the pump, attach the valve, and last, a standard garden hose to the front. And voila! This baby can move water at up to 10 gallons per minute or over 40 feet straight up. Not too shabby. Once you have the bulk of the water collected and pushed outside, where it belongs, you need to get things dry as quickly as possible. Turn on ceiling fans and bring in portable fans to help, and we also highly recommend using an air mover as these put out a great deal more air and can help rapidly dry your floors. In better times, they can also help increase air circulation in rooms, dry freshly mopped floors, or even assist with your DIY projects. Another thing we'd recommend for bulk water pickup is a wet filter. While you can use the filter that comes with the vac for smaller amounts of water, it's just not appropriate for more than a couple of inches in a vac this size. Last but not least, you need to check and fix your walls. If it's not just concrete where the water came in contact, you'll need to replace this section of walling. You may not see it, but mold can grow on the backside and this can be a health hazard. At the very least, you need to cut holes and check after everything is dry. Replacing a little bit of drywall is still better than the health issues that could occur. We hope these tips have helped you out. This has been Jen with Workshop. Suck it up, get it done.